Good morning, students. So today in reader book we read 6th chapter, a real feast. Okay. So a real feast, which is called feast. We many times invited to different types of feast, different marriage function, birthday function, or to any picnic or school picnic, or sometimes we were invited to our guest. We go to our guest house. Then they served us with many delicious food. So sometimes we like the foods to eat there because they were tastier. Sometimes we don't like. Sometimes we don't like the taste of the foods. Sometimes our guest also not served us with the right kind or good food. So we attend in your life. You attend different types of feast. Okay. So in your first page given some food. शाही टुकड़ा paratha, dosa, kheer. Like this, these are delicious foods. Which food do you like? You know that. Generally, this type of foods are liked by all. Okay, we like to eat paratha, we like to eat dosa, we like to eat kheer, or we like to eat ice cream or different types of non-veg items which are full of oil, full of sweets, full of sugar, and full of spices. So these things generally we like to eat. Maybe they are not good for our health, but in feast we are served such type of foods. So in this story we read about two friends. Okay, Kishanlal and Motilal, two friends. We read about the two friends, that is Kishanlal and Motilal. And from this chapter I have written some difficult words on the blackboard. One by one I will tell you. So many years ago, a man from a village in the plains of North India went further north to be the guest of his friend. So many years ago, a friend from a village, plain means northern plain means what? If you remind the India map, or you have also already read in geography perhaps. So first in north there is Himalaya. Then after Himalaya, in northern border there is Himalaya standing, and after Himalaya there is northern plain, which is called also rice bowl of India. It is a completely fertile plain. So from fertile plain a friend went to northern. Northern means on the mountain. Himalaya. One place of Himalayan went to further north as a guest of his friend. So the friend was Motilal and the guest was Kishanlal. So Kishanlal belongs to the plain, and Kishanlal went to friend on the Himalayan, that is his name was Motilal. Okay. So Motilal lived in the region of hills and valleys where fruits and flowers of every kind grew in abundance. So Motilal lives on the valley and hills and valleys of the Himalayan region. Generally on the mountain we get different types of fruits. So that area where Motilal lives, that area is full of fruits, flowers of every kind, abundance. Abundance means lot of fruits you will find there, lot different kinds of beautiful flowers, fruits, vegetables you find on that place where Motilal lives. So Kishanlal from northern plain visited to Motilal. Motilal had a lovely house with pretty latticed window. What is latticed? Latticed means that is a framework of crossed bars. Framework means the window is designed with the framework of crossed bars are there. That is designed with beautiful latticed windows. And it was spring when Kishanlal arrived. So Kishanlal went to Motilal house in the spring season. Okay. Generally in spring seasons all areas are full of flowers, vegetables, fruits, and obviously in mountain also there is full of beautiful flowers and fruits are there. The rooftops of the beech bark and earth were covered with iris, purple, white and yellow. Kishan was enchanted. So the rooftops of the beech bark means it is a beech bark means it is a leaf generally used for serving food, and the roofs are covered with beech bark and earth also covered with iris. Means the houses rooftops are covered with beech bark leaves, and the earth means land is covered with iris. What is iris? Iris is also a tall plant. Iris is also a tall plant with different colors flowers. The plant is full of different colors: purple, white, yellow. 3 colored flowers appear, bloom there. And Kishanlal was enchanted. Kishanlal was very happy. But when he went to his Motilal's house, just he saw the surrounding, the beauties of the surrounding, and he was enchanted. He was surprised. He was very happy to see all the surrounding first. So to welcome his friend, Motilal ordered a grand feast. So generally when guests come to our house, we serve them some special dishes. We serve them with special dishes, and what we generally eat every day, we make something extra, sweet items or kheer or payas, or sometimes we add some non-veg foods, or we add some snacks. Like this, we prepare some extra food. So like that, Motilal also ordered a grand feast. To welcome his friend, he ordered his cook a grand feast to make different types of foods. So the cooks and the ladies of the house spent a busy day. Busy day means complete day they were in the kitchen, and they made different types of delicious food. Cooking dish after dish means one by one they made different types of dishes. At last, lunch was announced and the men were ushered into the hall. Ushered means bright with a lot of show. Means the lunch was prepared and the lunch announced means what? The cook and the ladies of the house, they informed that the already lunch was ready and you come to eat. So the men were means the Motilal and the Kishanlal. They both were called, and Motilal took Kishan with respect. Welcome to the kitchen, to eat the dining hall, to eat the lunch. The earthenware platters filled with bright colored food present a pretty sight. The earthenware means the plates. That time the plates were made of earth. The earthen plates were platters filled with bright colored food. Means all foods are different colors, like the flowers, purple, white, yellow. The foods also looks different color, bright colored food. Presented in pretty sight. Presented means you see that when we serve food to our guests generally, or in hotel also, when the foods are served to you, they are decorated with some leaves or flowers, or the fruits are scattered in the design. Cutting also different types of design. They looks like a fruit, also looks like a flower. So they served with a decorated pretty sight. Then on one dish stood a delicious looking rice. So in one dish means one plate, what is present? Delicious rice, looking rice. Cooked in saffron. By adding some saffron, the rice was cooked. Then poultry. Poultry means non-veg, egg, meat, chicken, mutton, all this. Cooked in a variety of ways. So chicken also, one chicken means you are eat chicken pakoda, chicken chili, chicken curry, chicken masala, different types of dishes he served. Then filled number of plates served with poultry items. Then vegetables, fruits and fish completed the fare. Fare means complete the feast with this rice, non-veg item, with that vegetable curry, fruit salad, everything completed the, means the dining table was full of different kinds of and different color foods. Served to the two friends. Lunch began. As the friend tasted all the dishes served before him, to all the friend, Kishanlal ate all the items, tasted all the items. So Moti waited eagerly for words of praise. Generally, when we eat, we praise this item is tasty, this was made very tasty, that color is looking nice, or that is very sweet, or very tasty, or very spicy. We give comment. So, like this, Motilal also waiting eagerly that what his friend will say. The friend will must praise Kishanlal. So Kishanlal must praise Motilal. So Motilal is waiting. Imagine his disappointment when Kishan said the meal was wonderfully cooked. But Kishanlal disappointed Motilal. What he said? The meal was wonderfully cooked. It was cooked wonderful. It is very tasty. But the feast served in our village, I feel, are better. So what we eat in our village, the feast what we serve to our guests, that is better than this feast. So Kishanlal disappointed Motilal, said these are good, but in our villages it's better. He compared his village food to Motilal's food. So Motilal disappointment was great. Was greatly disappointed, sir. It was just to order many types of food to cook, but his friend was not happy, so he was disappointed. And he spent a restless afternoon. Completely afternoon, he could not take rest, could not sleep, only thinking that things. What's left behind that? Means what I met did not cook more item that was served in his village. So probably the feast of the fertile plains were more elaborate, more tastier, even more items, even more varieties maybe they are serving. So he thought, and he summoned his cooks and ordered them to cook dinner on a grander scale. So suddenly, then he summoned, means he called all his cooks and again the ladies of the house and ordered them to cook grander way. So afternoon it is grand. Grander means more delicious item, more number of items, more colorful items to cook. He ordered them. There was a great hustle and bustle in the kitchen as the delicacies were prepared on the another hand. So what is delicacy? Fineness of texture. So they hustle and bustle means they are worried to cook. The cooks and the ladies, they are worried. When we are worried, we can't decide what to make. So they are cool means what? They are just running in the kitchen room to prepare something new, something best, something better. So they hustle and bustle in the kitchen and they are worried to prepare different types of, and they also think about the texture of the items which will be nice, and specially made dishes cooked in curd, savours with a flavor of mint, spicy delicacies, and kebabs occupied the center of the table. Again they made what they cook, that this special meat items and dishes cooked with curd. By adding curd they made different type of dishes, meat items, then savours, food with salt and spices, not sweet, with more salt, more spice. They made with more oil and a flavor of mint by adding mint leaves and spicy delicacies, and kebabs occupied the center, the table. At the center they kept kebabs, meat items with the curd. These were surrounded by saffron rice, and that is surrounded by what items? Saffron rice with 15 different variety of vegetables. 15 variety of vegetables he served it. On the separate table, fruits, luscious and ripe, made by fascinating picture. Luscious means sweet and juicy fruits. Different types of fruits, different types of vegetables, fascinating, which they looks like very beautiful. In separate table, one table vegetable, another table fruits, another table different items he served. Motilal served to Kishanlal. On yet another table were set plates of mouth-watering sweets also, and in another 4 tables. Another table sweets. Mouth-watering means if you see these sweets, the water will come from your mouth. You want to eat that. Okay. So mouth-watering sweets covered with silver paper also, and this dazzled in the light of the diyas and oil lamps in the hung from the low ceiling. So it is decorated room also, serving in different styles also. Some lamps also hanging from the ceiling. From the lamp light, the silver papers dazzling, shining just like silver. The grand fare was set before the friend, and Motilal waited to agonize in the silence. So agonizing, painful. Okay. So after eating again, Kishanlal said nothing. So that gives more pain to Motilal. I served different types of food. Then also the Motilal saying, Kishanlal saying nothing after not praising me. So that gives more pain to Motilal. Surely now his friend would not say that I did not compare with the feast of his village. So again said, your food is tasty, but I can't compare your food to my village. My food, village food is better. Then, with the great variety of food served, dinner took a long time. So they both ate all the items, great variety of food. It took long time. At last again Kishanlal said, your food can't compare with my village food. At last the friend spoke, your food, dear Moti, is fit for the table of a king, but still it cannot compare with the feast I have at home. So, what food served Motilal to Kishanlal? So, Kishanlal said that this is fit for a king, a rich person. It is such type of food. It is fit for kings. It is not fit for me. It is can compare the food for in my village. Motilal nearly dropped down in disappointment. Completely, now Motilal is disappointed. And what he just eagerly think that what food are served in Kishanlal's village. So, what were the feast of his friend's village like? How lavish were they that the rich fare of his valley could not even compare with them. So, what type of food they are eating, what type of food they are serving in Kishanlal village that could not be compared with our food. I serve different types of food. Just Motilal surprised and also in painful sense. At lunch the next day, the food was so delicious that passers-by stopped and licked their lips at just the smell of it. And next day again they ate made for lunch more delicious. And that smell goes outside of the house. The passers-by they are stopped. What food is cooking in his house, and their mouth is full of water. So again Motilal beat his lips nervously, yet once again Kishanlal's response was, again that delicious food served, again Kishanlal's response was that, I would really have said that the food today is incomparable had I not tasted the feast at home. So again Kishanlal repeated the same word, this is tasty but it is not comparable with the food of my village. So Motilal silently acknowledged defeat, and for the rest of the Kishanlal's day. So last Motilal defeated that I can serve more than this, but there is no more items than what I served in the previous 2 days lunch, dinner, and 2 days lunch, 3 meals. I can serve more. At last Motilal was defeated. Though he always had the best of food served, he no longer tried to compete with the food Kishan at his village. So he tried to serve different types of delicious food to Kishanlal, and all variety of vegetables, all variety of soups, all variety of items, different types of spicy, mint, curd, everything he used. But he could not compare the food with the Kishanlal village. So he completely defeated, disappointed in front of Kishanlal. With the food, eventually Kishanlal went away. Eventually means after that lunch, Kishanlal left for his village. So this is half of the story. So this is all about today's class. But here we read that Motilal tried to serve food to Kishanlal, but Kishanlal was not satisfied. In next half we will read that Motilal visited to Kishanlal and what happened there. In next video we will read that, and this is all about for today's class. Thank you.